How to recover Brawl Stars account without using Supercell ID. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover your Brawl Stars account without Supercell ID. So let us just begin. First, open up any web browser. Any web browser is fine. I'm using Safari. After you open up your web browser, search for Brawl Stars support. Now go to the first link. And after you open it, scroll down and you will see find support for your game section. Tap on Brawl Stars. After you do that, it will take time to load. And after you've done that, scroll down and you'll see a lot of options. Now under here, you will need to see accounts section. So under here, you will need to go to account. And after you do that, if you find the option here to recover your Brawl Stars account, tap on it and go through it. If not, you can simply go to account security or anything else. And what you can do is just select anything here. Let's go with someone else is playing my account, or recover your account. And here tap on I've lost my access. So after you've done that, scroll down here. They will guide you through your process. So you can go through these two, or you can just scroll down, tap on this helpful tag here, and a page should open up where you can contact them and you can explain your problem to them. So this is how you can recover your Brawl Stars account without Supercell ID. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and bye.